All right, it's Mr. Wilson with some more Physical Science B. This time around we're showing you some examples of how to use the period formula. As a reminder, the period formula looks like this. Where big T is equal to the period, little t equals the time, and the number equals the number of waves. I want you to continue to follow the same kinds of problem solving that you've been doing, that modified UPSL that we've been working with. Take a look at what's given to you, figure out which formula you need, and then plug everything in. Also keep in mind that when I deal with these frequency and period problems, I want to make sure my time is in the appropriate units. Alright, so here's the first question. Find the period of a series of waves if 275 waves pass that point in 2 minutes. So what's given? I've got the 275 waves and I have 2 minutes. So my number is 275 and my time is 2 minutes, but as I just said, I don't want the time to be in minutes, so I change it to the equivalent number of seconds by multiplying that minutes by 60. In this case, I'm looking for the period, and as we've seen in this triangle, the period is equal to the time that's elapsed over the number of waves that have passed. So this equals 120 seconds over 275 waves. When I run that through my calculator, I get a period of 0.44 seconds per wave. So that tells me that every 0.44 seconds a wave will pass by me. Let's look at another example. Find the time it takes 35 waves with a period of 0.45 seconds to pass a point. Same strategy. Look at what's given. And in this case, I've got 35 waves, which is my number, and then I have a period given to me was 0.45 seconds per wave. And in this case, I'm looking for time. My triangle says that time is equal to t times the number, t being the period. So let's plug everything in. My period is 0.45 seconds per wave, and my number is 35 waves. Multiply all that through, and I get 15.75 seconds. So 15.75 seconds is what it would take for those 35 waves to pass me with that period. Okay. Straightforward. Look at what's given to you, figure out what you need, find the equation, plug in the numbers. Alright, last example. How many waves with a period of 0.20 seconds per wave will pass a point in 3 minutes? So again, what's given? I'm given a period of 0.20 seconds per wave, and I'm given a time of 3 minutes. But again, I don't want time to be in minutes, I want it to be in seconds, so I need to convert that to seconds. 60 seconds in a minute times 3 minutes is 180 seconds. And in this case, I'm looking for the number of waves. According to my triangle, the number of waves is equal to time over the period. So this equals 180 seconds over 0.20 seconds per wave. When I run this through, I get 900 waves. It's a lot of waves. but it is a long period of time and it is a fairly short period, so that number seems reasonable. All right, be careful with what's given to you and what the units are, especially pay attention to time, and you should do well. If you have any questions, as usual, let me know.